document definition, document in a sentence, document pronunciation, document meaning. Welcome to another research paper word. American pronunciation of document. Document. Da-cu-ment. Document. Document as a noun means a piece of written, printed, or electronic matter that provides information, usually with texts and images. Common usages in academic writing: an official document, a historical document, a printed document, the attached document, sign the document, to provide documentation. Example sentence: document, noun. Official documents were made available to the public after the court case ended. The common academic writing variation is documentation, noun. All participants were required to read and sign the documentation before the medical trials began. Please write a sentence using document in the comment section. I will read it and reply. Now you know document's pronunciation, document's meaning, and how to use document in a sentence. I'll see you in the next research paper word video.